How's it going, guys? So yesterday, Thursday, I ended up working day 20th. I only worked 2 hours because I had to stop again. We're in the process of moving, so we're looking to like get a new apartment or whatever, and that's why I've been stopping a lot. It doesn't matter. I know I've been taking a lot of days off. This 30-day challenge by October 30th, I'm touching 5K. No questions asked. So I only worked an hour and 0.9 hours, and I did got like a 27 Spark order and then a $22 Spark order and like a $7 something Grubhub. I will put them all up here in the video, and I made like 56 something. So 2 hours, $56, not bad at all. That's around 28-ish an hour, which is okay, whatever. Today, Friday, I'm hustling, not too hard though. I'm aiming for $200 today. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna aim for $350 each. So I'm gonna make around $700, maybe more. But that's no questions asked. I won't quit. I won't stop till I make it. 700. So it'll be 700 plus 200 today. That'll be $900. I'll be making $900 in 3 days, basically. This is gonna be a quick, short video. I'll upload it right now. This is for day 20th, and then I'll do day 21, which is technically today. Day 22, which is gonna be tomorrow, Saturday. Day 23, Sunday. I'm gonna do a 3-day weekend. Today I'm gonna do like maybe, I don't know how many hours, whenever I touch 200. And tomorrow I won't stop till I make 350 or more each day. And then for Saturday and Sunday, and I'll make just a weekend compact video. And yeah, I'll see you guys Monday.